Get excited about the 2019 Jeep Wrangler. Jeep prioritized comfort and style by including one-touch window functionality, a leather steering wheel, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.